Welcome to Reddy Technologies. Errors in Java programming. Java is a popular programming language in the IT industry. See errors. Say in any computer programming, we have two categories of errors. One is compile time errors, another is runtime errors. Observe. Suppose int x equals to 100. I declared integer type variable, assigned a whole number, integer. So no, no syntax error. If you try to execute, no output, nothing. Execute. Open result console, blank. Okay. Next, if you enter 100.2 syntax error. It is syntax error. Why? Say integer for storing whole numbers, integer data type for storing whole numbers. If you want to store floating point numbers, you need to use float or double data types in Java based on the size of that number. Say it is showing syntax error. See, you can easily identify that error and rectify. If you try to execute this program, it stops execution. Observe. See, error exists. See, it is showing error exists in required projects. Proceed with launch. See, if you want to execute this one forcibly, you can execute, but you can't get desired output. So change this one. Say we can Eclipse IDE like editors, Eclipse IDE editor like editors provides syntax guidance for Java programs. Then you can solve your errors. Next, runtime errors. Suppose int y equals to 10/2. Not only direct values, you can assign formulas also to variables. Suppose system.out.println y. It will print 10/2 5. Y variable value is 5, output 5. Okay. Suppose 10/0. Say in general mathematics, something by 0, infinity. See, programs can't handle infinity. So it will show runtime error. Observe, here no syntax error, but it will show runtime error. Run. Say it is showing arithmetic exception. How to handle runtime errors that we will discuss in another video. Now no errors. Run 5. See, earlier we discussed about syntax error, next runtime error, next logical errors. Observe, suppose for int I equals to 1 start number, next I less than or equals to 10 end value, next I plus increment operator, open curly braces, next system.out.println I. See, just a minute, here in 10th line I am using blank line, system.out.println, blank line in result console. See, 9th line y variable value 5, next 11th line 1 to 10, 5 space 1 to 10. Run the code, observe the result. 5, mistakenly not x, blank space, no blank, just open and close open and close double quotes for blank line in result console. Now 5 space 1 to 10 numbers. Run the code. See, 5 space 1 to 10 numbers. Now no syntax error, no runtime error, no logical error in this program. Suppose I 1 to 10, I equals to 1, suppose greater than or equals to 10. It is not syntax error, not runtime error. Suppose observe, I want output of this one, output, just a minute, output 1 to 10, run, nothing, 5, ninth line output, y variable value. What about for loop numbers 1 to 10, printing 1 to 10 numbers, logical error, no syntax error, no runtime error, runtime error not showing in result console, syntax error not showing in code editor. Then what it is? It is logical error. How to handle logical errors? Read the logic and solve that one. Suppose I equals to 1, start value 1, I greater than or equals to 10, it is not, it is impractical. So here symbol is less than or equals to 10, less than or equals to 10. Run the code, then it will print 1 to 10, 1 to 10. Suppose if you want to use greater than, suppose 1, I start value 10, I greater than or equals to 1, suppose I minus, now no syntax error, no runtime error, no logical error. It will print 10 to 1 or first 10 numbers in reverse order, 10, 9, 8 like that. Run the code, observe 10 to 1. So in the small program, I explained syntax errors, runtime errors, and logical errors. Thank you.